how rotate command works in AutoCAD. So there is a lot of confusion among students regarding rotate command. So in order to clarify the doubts, this short video is created. So remember, in AutoCAD, angle is always measured in anti-clockwise direction. So if you see this line AB, the line AB makes an angle 51 degree. So this A is considered as a base point. And when you consider any base point, then the horizontal line is getting created automatically along this base point. This line is not visible to us, remember, and the angle is always measured in anti-clockwise direction from this line. So when we select a base point means we define this horizontal line from the base point, and then according to the reference, we select the reference 1 and 2 and we add the angle, and that angle is getting added along this baseline. So now how it works, that we are going to see. So here we have two lines. This is first line AB, this one is second line AB. Now we are going to rotate these lines by using first as a base point A for this line, and for this line we consider the base point B. Now see how this rotation happens. So now I'm going to select this line along with nomenclature. Then I'm going to open the rotate command. Now it asks you to select the base point. So this A is a base point. Then click on reference. So this A is first reference and B is a second reference. Now as per principle, when you define the base point, it means along this A, the horizontal line is created, and whatever the angle that we are going to give, so that angle will be in a anti-clockwise direction. Okay, so this reference AB will move in a anti-clockwise direction like this along the angle. So now I'm going to add the angle 45. Enter. Now you can check along this imaginary line. This is the imaginary line. The angle made by this AB is 45. Okay. So this is the rotation principle. Now I'm going to change the base point. Suppose I selected this line. Now as I'm going to select this B as a base point, so I'm going to draw imaginary line along B so that you will understood it in a better way. Like this, I'm going to make this line faint because it is imaginary line. Now during rotation, I am going to select this B as a base point, and as soon as I select this B as a base point, the measurement will start along this horizontal line. Okay, so now I am going to select it. Then I am going to open rotate command. So it asks me to select base point. So this is base point. Then click on reference. So this is first reference. This point is second reference, and then add angle 45. You can see that this is point B, this is point A, and this line AB makes an angle 45 like this. So in this way we can rotate the line. Now what happens if I enter the negative angle? That also we can check. As I told you that angle is always measured in an anti-clockwise direction. It means positive angles will be in an anti-clockwise direction. If you add negative angle, then it will be measured in a clockwise direction. Okay, now see that I am going to select this line. This line AB. So it is selected. Now I am going to open rotate command. So this A as a base point. Click on reference. A first reference, B second reference, and then add angle minus 45. So you can see that it is rotated in a downward direction because we added angle minus 45. So in this way we can use the